The year 2025 was one of the most important years for artificial intelligence, especially for AI language models. These are computer programs that can understand and write human language, answer questions, create stories, help with coding, and even talk like a friend. Famous models such as ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Qwen, Claude, and Gemini all received major updates this year. These updates made them faster, smarter, more accurate, and easier to use, even on regular phones or laptops. Companies, schools, developers, and everyday people now use these AI tools more than ever before. In this text, we will look closely at what changed in 2025 and why it matters. ChatGPT, smarter, safer, and more helpful. In March 2025, OpenAI released ChatGPT-5, the newest version of its famous AI assistant. This model is much better than earlier versions in many ways. First, it can read and understand very long texts, like whole books or legal contracts, without losing focus. Second, it remembers your past conversations more clearly, so it feels more like talking to a real person who knows you. ChatGPT-5 also became much better at writing code. Programmers now use it to find bugs, suggest improvements, or even build small apps from simple instructions. Another big change is safety. ChatGPT-5 tries harder not to spread false information or give dangerous advice. It checks facts more carefully and tells you when it's not sure about something. Finally, it now works in over 50 languages fluently, including less common ones like Thai, Ukrainian, and Swahili. This helps millions of people around the world use AI in their own language, not just English. DeepSeek, powerful AI for developers and students. DeepSeek is an AI company from China that focuses on technical tasks like math, science, and programming. In 2025, they launched DeepSeek-V3, which quickly became popular among students, engineers, and researchers. One of the best things about DeepSeek-V3 is that it runs well on normal computers and even some smartphones. You don't need a strong internet connection or expensive hardware. This makes it very useful in places where internet access is limited. DeepSeek-V3 is especially good at solving math problems, writing Python or JavaScript code, and explaining difficult science topics step by step. Many universities started using it to help students practice exercises or check homework. The model is also open source, which means anyone can study how it works or improve it. This helps make AI more transparent and trustworthy. Qwen-3, a global model from Alibaba. Alibaba Group, a big tech company from China, continued improving its Qwen series of AI models. In 2025, Qwen-3 was released, and it surprised many experts with its performance. Qwen-3 supports more than 100 languages, including rare ones like Icelandic, Bengali, and Zulu. It's also very good at business tasks. It can write professional emails, summarize meeting notes, create marketing plans, or analyze sales data. Many small businesses in Asia, Africa, and Latin America started using Qwen because it's free, fast, and doesn't require special software. Another important feature is that Qwen-3 respects user privacy. It can work completely offline, meaning your data never leaves your device. This is very important for companies that handle sensitive information. Other important AI models in 2025. Claude 4 by Anthropic. Released in mid-2025, Claude 4 focused on being honest, ethical, and helpful. It avoids making things up and always tries to explain its reasoning. For example, if you ask it a hard question, it will say, "I'm not 100% sure, but here's what I think," instead of giving a fake answer. Many schools and news organizations now use Claude 4 to check facts or teach critical thinking. Gemini 2 by Google. Google's Gemini 2 improved its ability to understand different types of information at once, like text, images, voice, and video. For instance, you can show it a photo of a broken machine and ask it, "What part is damaged?" and it will tell you. It also got better at understanding accents and dialects, making voice assistants more inclusive. Smaller AI models. In 2025, many new small AI models appeared. These are lightweight versions that work on phones, tablets, or old laptops. Examples include Phi-3 by Microsoft and Llama 4 Mini by Meta. They may not be as powerful as the big models, but they are fast, private, and perfect for everyday tasks, like writing messages or getting quick answers. How people use these models in real life. Thanks to these 2025 updates, AI language models are now part of daily life for millions. Writers use them to brainstorm ideas or fix grammar. Doctors use them to summarize patient records or research new treatments. Students use them to learn difficult subjects at their own pace. Small business owners use them to create websites, ads, or customer service chatbots. Developers use them to write and test code faster. Most importantly, these tools are becoming more accessible, not just for rich companies or tech experts, but for ordinary people everywhere. 2025 was a turning point for AI language models. They became not just smarter, but also more responsible, efficient, and widely available. Whether it's ChatGPT helping a student write an essay, DeepSeek solving a math problem on a laptop in a village, or Qwen helping a shop owner manage orders in their native language, the impact is real and growing. As these models continue to improve, the focus is shifting from "Can AI do this?" to "How can AI help people without causing harm?" With better safety, fairness, and accessibility, the AI of 2025 is not just impressive, it's truly useful. And this is only the beginning.